Hey learners, Mai here from Pace AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to practice your listening skills by turning any reading into an audiobook. Let's start. So go ahead and pick any reading of yours that you are studying. This is my choice. I'm reading about how to book a doctor or dentist visit. And right here down below, you'll see an audio bar where you can press play, change the speed, or start over from the beginning of the reading. So first, this is my speed right now, 1x. That is normal speed. I'm going to click play just to show you what that sounds like.
3.1.2 How to book a doctor or dentist visit. When you need to see a doctor or dentist, you usually have to make an appointment. You can do this by calling the office or using a website.
So if that's too fast for you, no problem. Right here where it says speed 1x, go ahead and click it. This will change the speed to 0.75, which is a little bit slower. Let me press play to show you what that sounds like.
You can do this by calling the office or using a website.
Much slower. If that's still a little bit too fast for you, don't worry about it. You can click the speed one more time, which will drop it down to 0.5, which is half the speed. And go ahead and press play. And if you ever want to revert back, just go ahead and click it one more time, and you can toggle back to normal speed at 1x. So this is a great way to practice your listening skills, or to just listen to the reading as an audiobook while you're on your commute. If you have any questions, send us an email to support@paceapp.ai. That's listed down below in our comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.